Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your John Lewis gift card online. The John Lewis gift card can be redeemed in an online store, redeemed quick and easy online at johnlewis.com as a payment for goods. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.johnlewis.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the homepage of John Lewis. Go ahead and log into your account if necessary. Since I already have logged in, you'll be able to see my name appearing at the top right hand. In order to redeem your gift card for John Lewis, you'll need to go ahead and make a purchase, and you'll be able to choose your gift card option while making your payment during checking out. Go ahead and select any product that you'd like to buy and add it to your basket. Once you do that, head over to the top right hand corner of the screen and you'll be able to see your shopping basket icon. Click it on in order to view your cart. Now once you're done shopping and you'd like to check out, click on the Continue to Check Out button. Go ahead and choose your delivery method and fill in your information in the text boxes that appears at the bottom. Type in your title and then your first name in the next field. Type in your last name. Type in your mobile number after selecting your country code from the drop-down. Now, head over to the next field and type in your address or your postcode. Soon after you do that, click on Use this address as your delivery address. You'll need to go ahead and select your delivery options that are available in the display. Pick any one according to your need and click on Continue to Payment. Now, you'll be able to see an option that says Use gift card or voucher. Simply go ahead and click on the box and choose your gift card, whether you'd like to redeem your gift card or your gift voucher. Select gift card from the options and now type in your gift card number in the text box. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in your PIN number and finally click on Done. And once you type in your PIN number, you'll be able to redeem your gift card for John Lewis. That is how you'll be able to redeem your gift card while making a purchase on John Lewis. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.